Let's see how to connect the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript files. Now I already have this HTML file that I created. I'll just right click on it and click open with live server. Now this should be opened on the browser. Just right click on the web page and click on inspect. On the right hand side, click on console. Now I'm going to open the code editor. Okay. So now let's create a style sheet. So for that, below this, we will link the style sheet. So here, we have to put the relationship type. So REL stands for relationship and mention as style sheet. Okay. Next we have to put href and give it the path of the style sheet. So I'm going to create a file here. I haven't done that yet. So index.css. Okay. So now let's link this index.css file to this HTML. So I'll put a / and select index.css. Control yes. Now this is saved. Now to see if this file is linked to the HTML file, I'll go to the index.css file and I will change the background color. So I'll type in body, inside curly braces, I'll put background color as aqua. So now once I save this, the web page color changed to aqua. So this means the index.css, the style sheet, is connected to the index.html. Now let's create a JavaScript file, index.js. Now I'll go back to the HTML file, to the bottom. So here I am going to type script. Okay, so the script tags are open. Now I have to give it the source. The source, I'll put a /. Now when I give a /, it will show me all the files available in the path of this HTML file. So now I'll select the index.js file. I'll select index.js. Now control save. Now this index.javascript file is also connected to the index.html file. Now let's check if it is connected. So I'll go here and I'll type console.log and I'll mention connected. So now if this file, JavaScript file, is connected to the HTML file, in the console section here it should show as connected. So let me save this. Okay, so we got this as connected, which means now we have the index.js, the HTML and the CSS files connected to.